My name's James Butler. I'm our Vice President of Enterprise Solutions. I oversee our cellular engineering group, so a few engineers that highly focus on just the cellular portion of the business, but they're not limited to that. I also serve in an executive role to help oversee and have the conversations with our OEMs and our carriers to kind of bridge that gap, to bring that information back to not only the engineering team, but also our frontline sales team, while also helping to develop different products, solutions that we're going to go to market that help strategize around the business to be able to support those endeavors. My career has been surrounded, honestly, around INS for many years. I actually started at Verizon and was there for 15 years. INS was a very well-known and respected value-added reseller that we could purchase hardware with and partner with them on our projects. I left Verizon, went to go work for Source Inc. Was there for about 6 years, and then we were acquired by INS at the beginning of 2025. It felt like home because some of my Verizon colleagues had left to come work for INS. So it's kind of good to get the band back together per se, and I'm proud to be part of the INS crew. Fun fact about me is I actually hold a patent that I developed when I was at Verizon in conjunction with Cradlepoint at the time, now known as Ericsson. And I'm the reason that you can do failover and out-of-band management at the same time. And they now have to pay a royalty to any router manufacturer that uses that architecture or technology, which is pretty much all of them. Verizon owns that tech. I just get named as the inventor. The unique thing about INS, it's honestly in the name, it's industrial networking solutions. That I would say the backbone or the history of the company was always around that industrial line. So whether it's a large production facility, if it's somebody using conveyor systems, oil and gas, that they were able to specialize in that field. With the growth of the company and now the various talent that's been brought in, it's not just limited to those things anymore. The company has grown, and there's no industry at this point in which we wouldn't be able to advise, to implement and help them with their technology needs. I would say the biggest misconception would be around industrial networking is that it's in the name, that they think it's industrial, right? That it's hardened devices, it's a specialized product, when that's really not the case. We're thinking about OT, operational technologies that are the core function or the backbone of their business. And when we think about what INS does to help solve just technology or connectivity as a whole for a customer, it's everything from the door to the floor to the street for all their connectivity needs. It's not just specialized hardened hardware.